Hello, it's Tony here from Teaching Techniques, Tips and Tools. Today I'd like to share with you some tips on how to create a drag and drop activity using Google Slides. This activity can actually only be carried out while in edit mode. One of the things you would need to consider is the size of the slide. Widescreen would be what you would choose if it was going to be presented from within an interactive whiteboard. This example, I have changed the slides to an A4 slide because I would like my learners to print it out afterwards. So to change the size of your slide, you would go to File and then Page Setup. And here is where you can change the side, as you can see, to widescreen, etc. For an A4 size, what I type in is 8.5 and 11 inches. It has just converted it to centimetres already there. The next thing you need to consider is how to prevent everything moving that you don't want to move. As you can see, none of this is moving. The diagram won't move, my tabs won't move. The only thing that moves are the drag and drop activities. Now there's a couple of ways that I know you can do this. The first way would be to actually create everything as you would normally within a slide, excluding what you want to drag and drop. Then take a screenshot of your finished creation, and once I get rid of that, then go to background and import it as a background. However, I chose to do it a different way, which was by using master slides. So to do that, you go to View, Master, and here we have Master Slides, as you can see. So if I choose a blank slide, and then I'll use this in the same way as I would a normal slide, so I'd go to Insert, Image, Upload from my computer. Take a while to get there. The dogs heard someone. So now, here's the image. As you can see, it doesn't look anywhere near as nice. Thank you, Scooter. Because it's not been doctored yet. So what I'm going to do now is cover up these boxes. So I do that by selecting a shape. You see, I've now just covered up that box with another box. So what I'm going to do now is change the colour of that shape to white, and then I'm going to change the border colour to white. Now as you can see, that has completely eliminated that box. It's still there, it's just hidden. I will do that with all the boxes. The next thing I want to do is put in a title, so I'm going to put in a text box, and then you just type in the title there. As you can see. So once you've created your master slide, you then see this little cross here, you select that, and now I'm back into the normal view of your slides, and you see we've got this little icon here, new slide. If you go down to the drop down, you can see all your master slides, and this is the master that I've just created. Here it is. So the next job will be to actually create the drag and drop boxes that are going to go just here. So to do that, I'm just going to again go to Shape, choose a shape, drag it. Now, some people don't seem to be aware that you can actually just type straight within these boxes. There's no need to add a text box in there, they'll automatically have a text box. Just resize it. Now I might want to just change its colour, just to make it a bit more interesting. And you can change the text colour as well. And then to save me keep doing lots of boxes, obviously I'm going to just duplicate it. and as I duplicate it, I can just change the text inside. So that is quite simply how to create your exercise so that everything else is stationary except what you want to move. The next thing you need to consider is how you're going to share this with your learners. So to share this, what you need to do is go to Share, and this time it says anyone on the internet with this link can edit. We need them to be able to edit. You have to check it does say edit because it might be automatically on view or commenter, but we want it on edit, so that's okay. So we're going to now copy this link, and I'm going to paste it within a document because I'm going to change it slightly. Where it says edit here, I'm going to change that edit to copy. Now, changing it to copy means that the learners will actually be able to make their own copy. Selecting that link, this is what the learners will see. So all they need to do is press make a copy, and now they will get their own copy. Once the learners have their own copy, they can then complete the activity, go to File, Download as a PDF. Then they have the document for further reference or to hand in, whatever they require. I hope you found that useful.